Blog Talk Radio.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
Yo, it's your girl Nina Capone. In the Streets Radio, y'all already know what it is. I'm here. This joint is about to be hostile today. You know what I mean? Like, I'm about to go crazy out this joint. Like, this is what I'm about to do. Like, y'all got to pay attention because this is how it's going down. I'm about to party, like, because I'm sitting here, you know what I mean? I've been grinding hard, trying to get ready for Hood Stock. So if you don't know about Hood Stock, make sure you check it out. InTheStreetsRadio.com. That's INDASTREETS radio.com, the website. Check it out. See who on it. Those are the people that are going to be on the Hood Stock. We about to go hard, y'all. We about to keep it real gangster, real crazy, real hood shit all the time. This is what we do. I want to thank you for tuning in. I'm live on the air right now. It's August 25th, 8 p.m., and I'm like, you know what? Why not? Let's go on the air. Let's show them what it's about. Let's give them some music this Saturday evening and see what goes down. So before we run out the door, while you're getting dressed to hit the club, whatever you about to do, holla at your girl, 646-649-1047. I'm live. I'm on air right now. And we about to just do it real big, real crazy, just like this right here. Check this joint out right now, y'all. Damn, this is so sick.
Yellow bitch with gold jewels, new bitch rap old school. Them bitch hate like who you ain't shit, you boo boo. I get mine and take yours, shit ain't what I'm made for. Touring bitch, I give it down. Tell her dad say I did it down. Yellow bitch all night, yellow bitch alright. Yellow bitch I does my thing, all the homies shout wide. I know your nigga love to sing my songs, bitch. If you fucking with me, then you fucking with the wrong bitch. I'm about it, he about it. He hit it, can't live without it, doubt it. I'm in this dog, see that rap like it's my job. With my brows, fuck the cows, thirsty bitches acting tall. Don't be moving like you and I friends or some. Cause I'm just doing me, rapping, trying to spend some. I don't know you, bruh, suck my clit, I own you, bruh. Go-kin bitch at the garden, her, honey, go into the fucking world, hey.
Fuck the world, came and gave her a baby. My car do 180, I'm losing sperm, I'm faded. Your girl ejaculate me, I'm horse riding and anal. This crazy shit I be saying insane. I'm Charles Manson, this motherfucker ain't landing. I'm landing on bitches' panties, that lambskin in the Lambo. Shoot off your leg, now you can't stand me. Ha, pop up on you with cars you seen in cautions. I'm like, fuck you, cause you ain't got nothing to lose. Funny Adam Sandler, I cover my back with mammals. They judge me, don't need a panel. You gossip too much each channel. But why you all up on me? I thought I told you don't call me. My cousins, they see me shining. Now they all begging for diamonds. I'm just good with this rhyming. Rolex, that's perfect timing. Might change my name to Muhammad. Like Ali, she call me Poppy. I don't want more problem, I just want more money. Two house bunnies to keep the king company.
Well done.
Jumbo beat.
Yola boy gang. Well, alright. This is priceless. Well, alright. Well, alright. Yola. We poppin' bottle like we scored a winning touchdown. Poppin' bottle like we scored a winning touchdown. Remember me, dear bro. Look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown. Poppin' bottle like we scored a winning touchdown. Poppin' bottle like we scored a winning touchdown. Remember me, dear bro. Look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown. Real niggas gon' feel this. This that real shit. Look at the haters, they don't like this. This is priceless. Check it. I said, get my wrist so cold. Thundercat. We popping bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Popping bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Remember me, dear bro? Look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown. Popping bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Popping bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Remember me, dear bro? Look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown.
Real niggas gon' feel this. This that real shit. Look at the haters, they don't like this. This is priceless.
Shout out my nigga and we run this street, my fam. I keep that timing like gold. That clip got curved like Pam. My move got hit like Gina. It's big is on my win. My be slamming like beef jerky. R.I.P. the Macho Man. Call me monkey stick, I get a lot of bread, get a lot of pussy, get a lot of head. Probably never ever laid in a model bed. I turn a Barbie doll to a bobblehead. I got a lot of Gucci, got a lot of Louis, got a lot of Sevens, got a lot of Truies. Got products like I'm trying to make a Prada movie. My bitch ass fat, miss a lot of booty. I go so loco, I'm number one, I'm dolo. I'm a world star, I'm worldwide. Remember when I was loco? I'm super fly, I'm so live. I make them girls say, oh no. She wanna see Head Johnson. Bitch, I think I'm Ocho. We poppin' bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Poppin' bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Then from me, dear bro, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown. Poppin' bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Poppin' bottles like we scored a winning touchdown. Remember me, dear bro, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown.
Real niggas gon' feel this. This that real shit. Look at the haters, they don't like this. This is priceless.
Shoot the lights out high till it's bright out. Oh, just another lonely night. Are you willing to sacrifice your life?
Bitch, I'm a monster, no good blood sucker. Fat motherfucker, now look who's in trouble. As you run through my jungle, all you hear is rumble. Kanye West samples, here's one for example.
Gossip, nigga, just stop it. Everybody know
I'm a motherfucking monster.
I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. Profit, nigga, I got it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands. The best living or dead, hands down, huh? Let's talk more here right now, huh? And my eyes more red than the devil is. And I'm about to take it to another level, bitch. I know who you going, yeah. Ain't nobody cold as this. Do the rap and a track, triple double, no assist. And my only focus is staying on some bogus shit. Arguing with my older bitch, acting like I owe her shit. I heard the beat, the same rap to get a track chain. Bought the chain that always give me back pain. Fucking up my money, so yeah, I had to act sane. Shy nigga, but these hoes love my accent. She came up to me and said, this the number 2 style. If you wanna make it number 1, you're number 2 now. They say Goose in Malibu, I call it Malibu, yeah. Goddamn easy, I would hit 'em with a new style. Know that motherfucker, well, what you gon' do now? Whatever I wanna do, gosh, it's cool now. So I'm gonna do afternoon now. Do you motherfucker really need to cool out? Cause you'll never get on top of this. So mommy, best advice is just to get on top of this. Have you ever had sex with a pharaoh? I put the pussy in her sarcophagus. Now she claiming that I bruised her esophagus. Head of the class and she just wanna swallow shit. I'm living in the future, so the present is my past. My presence is the present, kiss my ass. Gossip, nigga, just stop it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. Profit, nigga, I got it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands.
Sasquatch, Godzilla, King Kong, Loch Ness, Goblin, Ghoul, a zombie with no conscience. Question, what do these things all have in common? Everybody knows I'm a motherfucking monster. Conquer, stop your silly nonsense. None of you wanna know what my Achilles heel is? Love. I don't get enough of it. All I get is these vampires and bloodsuckers. All I see is these niggas I made millionaires, milling about, spilling their feelings in the air. All I see is these fake fucks with no things, trying to draw blood from my ice cold veins. I smell a massacre. Seems to be the only way to back you back.
God, nigga, just stop it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. Profit, nigga, I got it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands at the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands.
Pull up in a monster automobile gangster with a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in a tanka, color a Willy Wonka. You could be the king, but watch the queen conquer. Okay, first things first, I'll eat your brain. Then I'ma start rocking gold teeth and fangs. Cause that's what a motherfucking monster do. Hairdresser from Milan, that's a monster do. Monster Giuseppe Hill, that's a monster show. Young Money is a rasta and a monster crow. And I'm all up in the bank with a funny face. And if I'm fake, I ain't know this cause my money ain't.
Let me get this straight, wait, I'm the rookie, but my features and my shows 10 times your pay. 50K for a verse, no album out. Yeah, my money's so tall that my Barbie gotta climb it. Hotter than the Middle East and climb it, find it. 20 my Tyron, dirty wine it. Nicky on them pitties when I sign it. All these niggas so one track minded. But really, I don't give a F-U-C-K. Forget Barbie, fuck Nikki, she's fake. She on a diet, but her pockets eating cheesecake. And I'll say, boy, the Chucky is chop play. Just killed another career, it's a mile day. Besides, yay, they can't stand besides me. I think me, you, and Ian should menage Friday.
Pink wig, thick ass, give them whiplash. I think big, get cash, make them blink fast. Now look at what you just saw. This is what you live for. I'm a motherfucking monster.
Fraud niggas, y'all niggas, that's that shit I don't like. Yo shit, make believe, rapping about my own life. Real names, kill things, that's that shit I won't write. Cause my niggas still selling dope like they ain't on they third strikes. Camping out in that corridor, fuck you waiting on Jordans for. I middleman it for 23, just meet me somewhere around Baltimore. Woo! That's rare nigga, woo! Ric Flair nigga, woo! The power's in my hair nigga, woo! I get this beat to chair nigga, Soho, a Tribeca, 3 hoes, trifecta, dope money, hope money, shoe blow, my watch better, my pen's better, you don't write, trendsetter, you clone like, pay homage or case vomit, ungrateful niggas I don't like. Rah!
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Bang bang. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Bang bang. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Bang bang. Sneak nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Nigga. Smile in my face is what I don't like. They see your whole sound, that's a sound bite. The media crucify me like they did Christ. They wanna find me not breathing like they found Mike. A girl to run her mouth only out of spite. But I never hit a woman, never in my life. I was in too deep like Makai Fife. And that pussy so deep I could've drowned twice. Rose gold, Jesus peace with the brown ice. Eating good vegetarian with the brown rice. Girls kissing girls, cause it's hot, right? But unless they use a strap on, then they not dykes. They ain't about that life, they ain't about that life. We hanging out the window, it's about to be a Suge night. Free bump chase, real nigga for life. Shout out to Dead Rose, man that nigga nice. Shout out to LEP, J Boogie, right? Chief Keef, King Louis, this is Shy, right? Right? Fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Wow, we we are not one and the same. Nigga, I'm fucking insane. Fuck is you saying? Yo ass been doing the same shit, not doing what you saying. Dang, I told your old bitch she was fucking the lane. Turn one hoe to a train, blow, blang. My niggas holding that pain. I just hope you been praying, bang, bang. Riding for my niggas in a slow life. High class, I'm just surrounded by these low lives. And I run this bitch like it's no light. Going hard the whole night, cause I ain't going back to my old life, I promise.
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Nah. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Nah. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Nah. Sneak nigga, that's that shit I don't like. I done sold purple, I done sold white, running out of work, that's that shit I don't like. She never let me hit, she gave me dome twice. She blowing up my phone, that's that bitch I don't like. Nah, jean jacket with the sleeves cut, put the pressure on them just when they think that I eased up. 30 for the Cuban, another 30 for the G's up. Believe in ourselves when nobody else believed us. Talkers. Fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Yo, what's up? This the world's greatest DJ, the KID, the Kid Capri, and I'm banging with Nina Capone right here on the hottest radio show in the world, In the Streets Radio. Let's get it.
Who the fuck is Chinko the mixtape? Shout out to all my real niggas on the street, all my real niggas behind bars, the whole Mechanic Street, the whole 1600 style. My nigga Chinko DJ Damage. All we drop is that real shit.
DJ FN Damage.
I work hard to be where I'm at. I want my shine and I won't turn back. No way. I'm here and I ain't going nowhere. Light up. Light up. Light up. Light up. Light up.
I did a little bit of everything, a whole lot of nothing. Try and keep my name at the topic of discussions. I did the party with Mayweather. I performed with Fabulous. On the phone with Jada and he told me I'm the nastiest. The flow is unmatched. Bars is immaculate. Say it with my chest and I put a little back in it. Champ, you's a chump. I never been a challenger. Get them niggas hell ever since I got allowance to see I'm a grown man. Understand, I ain't allowing it. Out your goddamn mind stand, I ain't talented. Couldn't tie my shoes, let alone walk a mile in them. Send the hottest rappers my way and I demolish them. Yeah. Pick a solo artist or a whole group. Time for y'all to pay homage cause I paid dues. With a wise old man told a young fool, youngin', if you grind hard then you can't lose.
Damage.
I want my shine and I won't turn back. No way, cause I'm here and I ain't going nowhere.
I always had a little buzz like a bumblebee. They love me up on 103. They took me up to 99 and put the mic in front of me. Come show flow, stop and go. I rip another beat. I do it in my sleep. So why they think that they can fuck with me? I never been a sucker. Why these jokers try and sucker me? Shorty wanna suck the click. She say we stay sucker free. See me up on BET, YouTube videos. Now hoes like Cheerios around like merry-goes. Looking for the hottest homie. Here we go. Put me in your stereo, video, cameo. Show enough going up, your boy next. Stay on my job, it's going down or set. Something gotta give, cause I ain't giving up. I give and go, give and take, I don't give a fuck. Listen, all my next moves is the best moves. And if I stay up on my job, boy, I can't lose.
I work hard to be where I'm at. I want my shine and I won't turn back. No way, cause I'm here and I ain't going nowhere.
DJ FN Damage.
South on me, everybody doubting me. While my up north homies sound like they from South Beach. I ain't got the patience, but I got a mouthpiece. Gotta count me in for the way I light a mouthpiece. Haters got me feeling like Tony on the balcony. You can add them up, I could subtract, they don't amount to me. Know the rules. You don't think I'm the greatest, you damn fool. And homie, if I grind hard, then I can't lose.
I work hard to be where I'm at. I want my shine and I won't turn back. No way, cause I'm here and I ain't going nowhere.
Shout out to my nigga Chinko the Great. We had to do this one for the hood. Everybody repping North Philly, South Philly, West Philly, even Jersey. We gotta do it for y'all. Shout out to all my niggas holding their head behind bars. I go by the name of DJ Damage. Who the fuck is Chink the Mixtape?
Yo, bitch.
What's that on that mean? Oh.
It's Young Gold, all these hoes weird. T-dot up to the death, mean they care. Bitch, money scared, let's make it clear. I'm a fucking boss, shout out to this mirror. I ain't gotta try with these sluts though. She know I'm the shit and she butthole. It's all good in my block if you must know. I'm that bitch and I don't give a fuck, so make me hot, you make the news. Bitch, I'm a winner, I ain't made to lose. All these rappers lie, well I'm the truth. Bitch, I'm the shit, I was made to poo. I was made to poo. Bitch, I'm the shit, I was made to poo. I was made to poo. Bitch, I'm the shit, I was made to poo. I ride in, I ride out. Asian bitches cooking at my house. Young and I ride, tryna live life. Fuck tryna love, what your dick like? Thug life, though. Thug life, though. Thug life, though. Thug life, though. A young gangster, shit in my beat. But fuck yo bitch, she act like me. We tryna be the kid like please. Yellow bitch club, you ain't with a bruh piece. Shit, I'm drunk, feeling lovely though. And all this money, why you love me for? And I know that, but he's so bad, so he did it. Bitch, hold up. I'm shutting fuck what you think, cause it's thug life. You'll get your body missing for a thug prize. I don't say shit, cause I'm about to boo. And you know fuck with G, you about to too. Cause I'm about to boo. And you know fuck with G, you about to too. Cause I'm about to boo. And you know fuck with G, you about to too. I ride in, I ride out. Asian bitches cooking at my house. Young and I ride, tryna live life. Fuck tryna love, what your dick like? Thug life, though. Thug life, though. Thug life, though. Thug life, though.
me on my teeth, that's why I sell. I'm just talking heavy, got bitches on my dick, they ain't never met me. Not your ordinary, I'm different. Do it like I do what they wish. I'm different. When I slide through, I ain't tear it all up, but I got a few, like a curfew. I go win, it's me, her, and her girlfriend. It's whatever then, I don't get it. I check her off, they split it. Gotta get it, it's a habit. I'm racked all up, that's magic. Pretty tatty, can't hide it. We don't do no rest, you outside it. I'm body, no limit. It's a real me, nigga, no gimmick. Real tinted, can't see me. Black shades on, nigga, I'm Stevie. Believe me, I'm body. Go ham on a nigga with the right.
Straight over my body. Everywhere it get hot. I'm a hood nigga, so I blowed up. East side, I got it. West side, they ride. South side, they bout it. North side, get crowded. I'm bout it. Straight over my body. Everywhere it get hot. I'm a hood nigga, so I throw it up. East side, I got it. West side, they ride. South side, they bout it. North side, get crowded. I'm bout it.
Got it over my body. I'm in.
Listen, before you bring the bullshit over here, let me just roll up one backward real quick. Clear my senses. You know, I'm trying to make the best out of any situation. Please don't come in here blowing my heart off.
Between the weed and the liquor and the cars and the ice and the women and them flights and them long Vegas nights, niggas stay dripping with their Gucci on, bitches in them Louis Vuittons. When your money right to bring the groupies on, move along. I don't need them, I ain't even bragging, nigga. I done had more hoes than you could imagine, nigga. I pull up to that traffic light, you should see them acting like swagger right. Money's on my appetite. I'm in the streets chasing it. Y'all niggas faking it. I'm trying to get Laker rich. I be chasing money. Homie, I don't chase a bitch, but they chase Gilly dope. I done lock Philly dope, really dope. 24/7, always on my grind. So that mean that moolah is always on my mind. Spend a pretty penny on the shine. Gotta count $250,000 if I need a little time, baby girl, though. From the gutter, then I rose from the basement to the top floor. Condo, lot of champagne wasted. All the women embrace them with the thought of if they fuck them good enough, they got a chance to stay and I replace them like right. Gilly's a distant memory. I have them crying like Fab got Emily. I blow plenty trees. 50 women in my condo, 100 pretty legs like a centipede. All I do is talk paper. Triple black, Aston Martin, call it Darth Vader. These niggas gassed up like a carburetor. All my niggas in the streets doing parts of labor. At these rappers I just laugh. Talking about a slab, they ain't never had a tab. Lil' mommy, please chill. Gotta count 100,000 and it's all small bills. So let me count this paper. Graduated School of Hard Knocks, Violet Victoria. From the home of Smoking Joe, check my origin. Used to transport him, and now I just call her ordering. Mr. Don't Blow My High, purple watering. Nigga got more pips, drug emporium. Now I don't go on chase, bring the jury in. 200 grand in that briefcase, bring my lawyer in. Never took a stand on niggas, I stand on niggas. And I ain't never ran on niggas, I ran y'all niggas. Yeah, and you niggas still running. Bitches still sucking and bumming. Niggas still tucking and crumbing. Shit, I check your bankroll. 2 pair of dice, any wall. It won't take long. Feel like Superman in the booth with my cape on. I'm on one. As we speak, getting my Drake on. Don't blow my high.
Somebody call a doctor, man. It's like them haters out there got a sickness, man. They need to be cured. Real hater. But I mean, you know, man, no beat up on that Sanjay. You know. Come on, man. Yeah.
No, don't hide. I see you, hater. I'ma wave high when I greet you, hater. I've been dying to meet you, hater. Please don't leave me. I need you, hater. This is for the one that's a sprain. I'm gon' fail. They hating. Rather see me back in the cell. But I ain't in the jail, my nigga. I'm doing good. Brooklyn, we did it. I'm keeping it all hood. Keep hating. I'm rolling. I'm going dash. Chicks like, ooh, I like him. You see a statue? Look at me with some stacked DVDs, the MTV, fans hanging down on BET, still in the streets, nigga, you see me. I'm too hard, stack paper, it's alright, y'all haters, it's nothing, we major, you see me, high hater, high hater, high hater, you see me, high hater, high hater, high hater, you see me, high hater, I ain't got time, too busy, I'm flying over the Atlantic. 3 or 4 Spanish strip dance with no panties, asking me to take advantage. Just imagine all the fun that I'm having. It's scary, on average, I'm traveling, getting that cabin. Performing in London, then I'm landing in Paris. If I was you, frankly, I'd be embarrassed. You carry no weight, words hold no merit. I talk big money, you can't understand it. My picture won't fit on your can. Go win 2 Grammys, build cribs for a few families, then you can come back and holler at me. God damn it, it's sad, but I can give a damn what a sucker thing. Hustle hard, grand hustle, call us hustle aim. Me and Mano J and 80 just like brothers think it's all about the music till it escalates to other things. Sucker seen the bank kid, BK connects. You can hate it but respect it, else get dealt with, bitch. High hater, you see me. High hater, you see me.
Okay, hi, my name is Swish, your name is Hater. So you see him, hi hater, my watch, the Taddick Philippe. I don't lose no sleep, cause I don't fuck with y'all haters. My car, the SLR, the engine tuned in like it's a guitar. I leave y'all haters in the dust by far. I'm designing planes, y'all looking at cars. Yeah, I try to keep the beat, and they keep talking hawk on sliding. What's up? They all want the cake, but I'm a chef, so I gotta show them how to bake. Get 'em.
9 out of 10 rappers, haters, they get emotional when they ain't got paper. When you get bigger than them, then they hate ya. Fuck them, cause I don't owe them no favors. When rappers hot, they praise ya. When rappers get cold, they spray ya. I'm smarter than most, ask my labor. My first big numbers was real major. 214,000 soul player. Take about $1.5 million to be my neighbor. I got a show, so I'ma talk to y'all later. 40,000 to show, now hater.
High hater, you see me. High hater, hello, how you doing? You see me. Yo, $1 million worth of ice on. Wife beater showing the python. Drug money kept the lights on. And besides the gun smoke, the hate in the air is what kept the nights warm. They gon' hate anyway, screw being nice to them. So you send them some hot ones or you put the nice on. Hi haters, it's me Jada. Might see me in the D with pink gators. Or I might be in the street with 3 shakers. 10 head cracks in a row with sweet paper. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my cash. The LP is on the way though, kiss my ass. So they so wild like the folks who make PlayStation. Yeah, I'm back, fresh off a hatecation. I let the haters take a break. Now I'ma let it out the bag like Jake the Snake. If it's one thing for sure, 2 things for certain. I'ma keep them up till my middle finger's hurting. Nah, I ain't had a brush with beef yet. Some of y'all wake up hating and ain't brush your teeth yet. I come through, haters gotta know that I am paid. I be waving like I'm on a float at the parade. Hola, bonjour, hi hater. I keep it moving on hoes, call me vibrator. Low. Hi hater, you see me. Hi hater, you see me. Hi hater.
dope is whenever I wrote, whenever I write, I'm really that nice. I better get right or get left in the past. Cause rappers go broke like static flash. Back in my stash, back in the bag, back on my bike, back to the fight, back to my path on the dark side.
I'm in the midst of a crisis. Blowing my cool, gotta make them hear me. This is where I do. Losing my temper. I'm in my bag, watching them feel me. Checking out the swag. My occupation's ugly. I do my own thing. Not really hood rich, I still rock a roll shirt. These niggas need me, even when they say they don't. I'm still a girly, junk in my drum. You already know. It's crazy out here. You already know. And they still don't care. You already know. You gotta have no fear.
Just when they come get it, we got it. It's all with it.
You already know. It's crazy out here. You already know. And they still don't care. You already know. You gotta have no fear.
Just when they go get it, we got it. It's all with it.
What look like? I'm on it. Get the fame, get the money blowing up. We don't it. Pop bottles where I like on the same night. 4 seconds last, all of us the same life. Doing the same fight, hit it to the same fight.
I really think I'm going crazy. Dealing with this stress, living my life like a game of chess. I steady thumping, just like the bass. These rappers frontin', get out my face, or I catch a case. Hoping nothing you can do to stop me. They see me coming, man, they gotta watch me. Look how I do this here. Take a listen, this is how we hear. Yeah.
Get
Low.
Get
Low.
Get
Low.
You already know. It's crazy out here. You already know. And they still don't care. You already know. You gotta have no fear.
Just when they come get it, we got it. It's all with it.
You already know. It's crazy out here. You already know. And they still don't care. You already know. You gotta have no fear.
Just when they go get it, we got it. It's all with it.
Love full of hoes, boss you don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We got the chauffeur, Hova, let me play the role. To the Royce bitches, let away my voice, yeah. The pussy moist now, tryna call her baby bro. You already know about that crack cocaine shit. They know Philly Mac go lean shit. That Mac don't say shit. Muffle on the front, puffin' on the blunt. Fuck you really want? We don't play those games, bitch. Rockstar, M.O.R. Hayes today. Got hard, got soft, got it all laid out. Niggas played out like them high school days. Wet suits and beavers, step it up the Benz, coupe, jets and divas. Welcome to the dynasty. Back like Family, I'm the prince, you gon' honor me. Palm that bomb, press the button, you a memory. Ring the alarm, another hater's dying. Oh boy, hey, la how that KD firing. Gorilla slipping cause I'm banana clipping the iron. Vanilla Dutch full of that shit they put in your body. Hitman fire, fair exchange, no robbery. Oh boy, hey.
For the hoe, but she don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We got the chauffeur D, let me play the role. Love full of hoes, but she don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We got the chauffeur D, let me play the role. All your PDS Ricans are really greedy for the mommies in the two-piece bikini, smoking a Heaney with booties bigger than Edie Chacon, really freaky. I walk with a baton, getting my pimp on breezy. From Brooklyn and North Philly, haters just smack Philly. These bodies are back you down with nines and Mac Millies. Backing heaters out for niggas thinking they willies and something the size of a penguin. With cheese, they really. Haze in the Philly, those stacks ass in cities. Money, sex, drugs, the gritty New York City. No jodan con nosotros, somos pocos, pero locos. Exploto con el cochaco de los pies hasta el coco. Famoso, con máscara negra, listo pa' un robo. Disparando en el aire para activar todo mi logo. Rep for Urban Odyssey, bang for camaraderie. Product of the project, you own state property. Broke you all properly, cook beef for broccoli. Catch me sipping sake, swerving on the Kawasaki. For haters knocking me, no way y'all gonna stop the G. Keep the money flowing in the project, my monopoly.
Love full of hoes, boss you don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We
We got the chauffeur over, let me play the role.
Love full of hoes, but she don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We got the chauffeur, D, let me play the role. Love full of hoes, but she don't know. They all on me, hungry with nowhere to go. They like monkeys, donkeys, come to every show. We got the chauffeur, D, let me play the role.
Fuck your feelings, bitch. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. I ain't never been a pussy, I tell you just what the deal is. Bitches always being some idiots and they still is. If you ain't feel this, homie, it's a sign then. You ain't fucking with me, bitch, I ain't got the time then. I'm getting my friend, what your eyes wait for? That's why these haters hating, honey, ain't no way to go. It's fuck off a real bitch, rapping gold gang. You ain't get it OD on the cocaine. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. I ain't never been fake, yo, it's always been 100 kitties. Bitches tell me mama and it says I'm not a son of bitch. So get the fuck up a bitch, make your way down. I'm 19, the game looking like my playground. Me and the homies got the money to the ceiling, all the swag with the feeling, cause them bitches try stealing. I came here to make a killing, what the fuck your ass know? I been ghost, wait, the my ass go. Bitch waiting for me, the band waiting for me. Bitch waiting for me, the band waiting for me. Bitch waiting for me, the band waiting for me. Bitches waiting for me, the band waiting for me. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. I do the shit these bitches are too pussy to. You too pussy to. You too pussy to. Honey cocaine bitch. 416. Swat.
in the bag. My poker face really is real as it gets. gon' come through serious. Punk, but if you fearing it, my murder mode is mysterious. Niggas getting furious. If this letter talk about me, these niggas be furious. And I really bring the dog about me.
I'm a dog in the streets, like a dog on his beat. I rip and pull with my teeth. I got pull in the street. When I'm pulled in the heat, you get clam like chowder. Coward, you softer than a drugstore flower. You better get him, sonny, before I take the straight raise and pinstripe your money. And I ain't being funny, I hang with them that's hungry. They lions and y'all monkeys. Put this in your deck and play this shit like junkies.
Boy, I can't use it, man.
Keep my name out your mouth. I 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 keep my name out your mouth.
Keep my name out your mouth. You wanna test what I said? Got my blood pressure rising. I see nothing but red. Knock 'em out. 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 Knock 'em out.
Good work, Charlie.
Yeah. Okay, the top prospect, V2.5. Push a feet, can always speak the truth, no lie. Granddaddy smoking, yeah, bitch, I'm so high. Niggas thinking he can see me, catch a shell in both eyes. So live, so fly, don't believe me, extra girl. She gon' say that Hattie Phil. I rock a boat, I make her earth. I'm ballin' just like Rollins, Spartan, Jordan, Barkley, Earl of Pearl. I am Apollo 13, man, I'm tryna rock a world. I am my media, good work, Charlie, send this he does, so I'm gon' speed it up. I can slow it down, don't speed it up. Every time I speed it up, motherfuckers be like, Yola, heatin' up. Yeah, I'm right at it, feet gon' follow, call that social media. I be running through shit, they looking for my new shit. All the hoes love me, wanna let my whole crew hit. Niggas know I do this, every day a new bitch. Pussy coming too quick, I wish I had 2 dicks. One thing niggas don't hate, all oils ain't no bait. Whip it up and come back hard, ain't no shake. Ain't no shake 'cause it's solid, I'm a guy like boy with this mileage. Really nigga ballin', she wildin', hitting jokes in the whip, she driving. I be shining on these niggas, feeling like I'm VVS. I can make a nigga bleed, looking like he PMS. I'm from the school of hard knocks, I'ma teach him lessons. I'ma toast him, secret wreck him, take his cheddar. Even better, I'm cutting with his cleaver. Nigga sneak this into our donkey fuck his diva. DD, he gon' get him, you be puffin' on that reefer. My niggas live that loud life, EXP loud pipe. Milk it like a cow fight. Me, I'm tryna grab that Panamera like it's prom night. Nigga try testing, show him with that 40 cow light. Bitches push your feet, you know I'm squeezing when them heaters drawn. Tell you one thing, I ain't the one you should be sleeping on. Get his best and keep it on. Hammer on my shoulder, pull up on him, something sending. It's just me and Joey Yola. I like the Avengers, homie. Why? I feel like Thor with this hammer on me. Hey, feet, take him on his last ride. Take him for that lonely walk. Joey Yola, keep that Iron Man word to Tony Stark. I grind like coffee, I could put some cream on you. Don't get me mad, I'ma turn green on you. Hawk shit, why would niggas even wanna start this? Yo got that nigga head in his bag, just like dog shit. Let these niggas think it's sweet. Joey Yola, put your feet, mask down. Searching for that candy, nigga. Trick or treat, put your game. Yola boy, hit me on the motor, boy. Niggas think it's snapping on me, picture that. Polaroid. You niggas already know what it is, nigga. Put your feet. Joey Yola. Let go. Your girl see me, she know my nigga, she gon' hit me up tomorrow. Out the mill, out the well. Jazzy Jeff, it's Fresh Prince. You know we do this again, we don't borrow. And you know me, I'm out of the ordinary, I'm rather extraordinary. My diamonds is all canary, we getting money. Genius, and I continue to get that paper. So won't you mind your business? Don't be a fucking hater. I need that, you got the remedy. You look surprised, ma, I gotta refresh in your memory. Get to get it, mujeres, tell me what you want. But before I could blow my live, baby, lit up the brand new funk. You
way across Broad and Allegheny. No holiday in Henny. This time peeing strawberries for the hottest lady. You got a body, baby. So Desi Jeff, how you riding, baby? Yo, Jeff, you think she got it?
Yeah, she got it, Petey.
Whoa, she makes me wanna. But before this party gets started, let your boy hit that brand new funk. Heat crack Philly, who want run with me? What? Go up, young buck, ain't nothing to me. I got bullies, Lemmy, Arties is all homie. I brought armor for drama, you ain't got nothing for me. Go in my zone when I write. It's not surprising, you hear my flow and wanna bite. My only option, to dust the dirt off my shoulders is Rockefeller. I fuck you know by now, I will hope with niggas is jealous when they see me in that Bentley, Pirellis, and shit. Suspension is all 26s, bitches blowing me kisses. My forces is Chrissy, the Christmas is as cold as my wrist. Stopping books for the pictures and continue to keep on sipping. It's the Prince of the Rock. Desi Jeff got the beat locked. I learned this twist from Will Smith. I need not to explain why I got a front. It's not a game. Get a Philly blunt, fill it up with some brand new funk.
UPCC, WB. What up, Wally? Cheers. What up, Kodak? What up, Chinko? What up, Leash? What up, Lane? What up, Bang Bang? What up, Rock? Brick and Air. What up, Sad? What up, all my niggas? Free all my niggas. Cat Raw. Cliff, man, shit. Yo, imagine when we get up, niggas already hating and we fucking all they dimes and ducks. They get plucked, roaming through the city with my nigga Wally fucking biddies, getting to this money and these hoes like it's nothing really. What's the dilly? Niggas see me, they be all looking greasy, got the wrinkled face, and I'm about to let the iron steam them. Keep on dreaming. If you think of plotting on vague, I can see the reason. My goons hold me down, nigga, and they all squeezing. Please believe me, if you slide through the block with that bullshit, you gon' catch at least 30 shots. Fuck the cops, call a SWAT. Nigga, we be moving like the Autobots, and we always on our grind, sorta like the clock. Never stop, every day thinking how to get the guap. And your mind on them bitches, you is stripping. What up, nah? Daddy got the keys in the city lock. Yeah, forever on my grind till I fucking die. We be mobbing in the streets, whole team packing heat. Best believe they gon' squeeze. We out here, straight stunting on us. Niggas got nothing on us. All my niggas go hard. Y'all fraud. Y'all fraud. Y'all fraud. Every day we counting though. My youngins go on OT with them O's on the fucking low. Let's get it, yo. To the feds, hit us with the Rico. We gon' get this bread and feed our people. Y'all niggas say y'all out here, but we never see you. Everywhere you look, me and my niggas there. We ain't never fraud for you niggas or you bitches. Yeah, let's get it clear. Getting to the money, yeah, that's all we know. Blood and WB with that coke, weed, wet and snow. Niggas know, don't approach my niggas over no fucking hoe unless you tryna suck on the calico. Holla, yo, let a couple go and you gon' holler, yo. No need in pleading for your life, nigga, cause it's time to go. Y'all should know, adios. We be mobbing in the streets, whole team packing heat. Best believe they gon' squeeze. We out here, straight stunting on us. Niggas got nothing on us. All my niggas go hard.
Semi-automatic, no click, click, we don't feel you like the elephant. Getting with a tick, tick, little with a thick bit. And before I fall in, I gotta put that patch over my third eye. Quick rig, truck fit, t-shirt, talk second, ski first. Boy, your girl a jump off, I hope she land feet first. Give me brains, research, and I prefer reefer. But if you want some, that's cool, cause my homie still. Yeah, my homie still. My homie still. Yeah, my homie still. Don't make my goons go stupid. Go stupid. Go stupid. Yeah, don't make my goons go stupid. stupid. Go dumb. Go stupid. Yeah, boy. Okay. My girls in cars both skirt off. I like the slow with that I can surf off. In a hot spot, cause the never chillin'. I do it for my niggas, I just do it to these niggas. Boy, I overgrind, overshine. Ain't another nigga overshine. I'm getting paid, it's overtime. I'm rolling pine, I'm so divine. I'm west side, dark glasses on like I'm going blind. Looking like Easy E, it's just me and Lil Weezy. We get off my yeah, my homie still. My homie still. Yeah, my homie still. Oh God, don't make my goons go stupid. Go stupid. Go stupid. Don't make my goons go stupid. Go stupid. Go dumb. Go stupid. Yeah. Whoa. Oh God. I'm inside them haters, now they don't rest my weapon. Pumping so much bass, motherfucker going down. We the FMP, got them haters, now they don't rest my pumping so much bass.
Yo. We got 1 minute left. It's your girl Nina Capone, live in the streets radio. Y'all know how we do it. We about to be on Xfinity in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute. It's about to go down like that. So shout out to everybody that tuned in. Shout out to everybody that come back and listen. Shout out to everybody out the shot that be downloading this thing. Yo, it's crazy. Yo, we like 600 listens to the show. Yo, what I'm saying is, I mean, I appreciate the love, y'all. If you're in Philly, September 29th, make sure you holler at me for more information on InTheStreetsRadio.com. Hoodstock is going down. That's right, I said it. Hoodstock is going down. 30 artists, 30 rap artists on the stage. 4 to 12. Yo, 4 p.m. to 12 p.m. I mean, 12 a.m., man. We gonna go all. We might go later. I don't know. But make sure you're there. Make sure you're in the building. It's gonna be crazy. The stage is gonna be turned all the way up. Some of the hottest artists throughout the tri-state. Yo, we got, y'all don't even know. Just tune in the Streets Radio from now on, because this is it. Check us out on iTunes, we there. XM, we there. We everywhere. This we about to be. But for now, we about to be down to Xfinity. This is how we gonna do it tonight, y'all.
Go dumb. Look, I'm inside them haters, now they don't rest my pumping so much bass, mother going down. We the FMP,